Here I sleep the morning through, till the wail of the call to prayer awakes me, and there is nothing at all to do but rise and follow the day wherever it takes me. I stand at the window and I look at the sea, and I am what I am, and what will be will be. I stand at the window and I look at the sea, and I make me a pot of opium tea. Down at the port I watch the boats come in. Oh, watch the boats come in can do something to you. And the kids gather round with an outstretched hand, and I toss them a dirham or two. Well, I wonder if my children are thinking of me, 'cause I am what I am, and what will be will be. I wonder if my kids are thinking of me, and I smile and I sip my opium tea. At night the sea lashes the rust-red ramparts, and the shapes of hooded men move past me. And the mad moaning wind lives and lives and lives the strange lot that fate has cast me. Well, the cats on the rampart sing merrily that he is what he is, and what will be will be. Yeah, the cats on the rampart sing merrily, and I sit and I drink my opium tea. I'm a prisoner here, I can never go home. There is nothing here to